Mimi, you won't tell me say you didn't remember anything? And you know not Chiboy. But not before head they shoot am gone. Now by the side, how come it can't affect him brain? No. This one don't pass me. I get to call Chiboy.
But what happened here now? But what's up now? What's up you? In a number units, one can't charge this for me. What is the sub now?
See, Chiboy, anyhow I like Siam. I don't send. Whether I say we they can't charge this for you, you know concern me. When you see the gree. I didn't say you fuck up first.
But they will die it. Die it. See, based on the rugged German when I be, I went and I saw and I conquered. They hear me?
Where you 99% intelligence before locality first. Without you now. But make me ask you. You just said you do the pay. Only your lapidoma. Based on say you're selling at the pump for ground. We see one day Selena go finish for your body. You don't know yourself, sir. You clap your eye.
Where you freestyle yarnings. Chiboy, any day when you lose God like this again, you go die there. If you see me there, man die. They hear me? You when they weigh 100 kg. You carry me the suffer for Egyptian forest. I carry the run up and down. You come here and I the camp vertical. If you tell me next time I just come fire you. Apo, you die. Apo, you go die. I say you go die. I thought that 11 digits somebody lap me there. I thought that 11 digits. The last time when I cap, I tell you say make him bounce one in go place. Put your earrings for my baby sister and my own. You lap it, doma. I thought that 11 digits make you lap. I thought that 11 digits. So you see anything you cap me say you carry me run inside Egyptian forest where you near Matthias with that. They hear me?
I don't cap you say make you leave this match there. I can't make leave him. Chiboy like you're gritty too much. Leave him.
I don't go blame una. Una get male. No get male. No get male. No. Another man lap my unit. Now maybe see short. Now my short. Una say make a day like Delegiwa. See when I use the head though. Odogu. I don't touch that from you. Where you go?
What's that? I talk for priest Matthias now. I don't hear from priest. Odogu.
Yeah, don't caprice so make you freestyle priest. I don't send my messenger. I ain't gonna lap here.
Sense. Don't come off your head.
I say your time don't reach. That's why they worry you for head don't start. You don't go hard and you go tell us based on your spiritual level. You they see one or two. Idiots now you
get spirits. Now you never go carry priest come here since. This boy.
Great smart. Avoid the spirit man. Johnson nigga. Now boy, I did training. Muna fix time.
Boy, don't try that me again.
Oh boy, muna fix time. I did training now.
Hello guru, I get. Anta, Anta, Ababi Anka my unity, Maya de ya o wenu, Odirinu Kwario, Gela de Faji, Ababi Anka my unity, Maya de ya o wenu, Odirinu Kwario, Gela de Faji, now the money don't come enter. Ababi don't dey shuffle, oh. This my baby says she want to come around, oh. But it's a sweeter, yeah. Oh yeah, baby, come with your sister. Say I make she come with her friends. I make her call my guys too. Tonight we go kill ourselves, yeah. In every no one, baby, oh. Chiboy and Kwachineke. In every no one, baby, oh. Just make Kwachineke.
The one in the lab.
She don't come.
Smaller. Now this is cookie.
This man is your size now. Now your playmate.
Where you? Raksam! If I kick here, you go see whether me and you are made. And they say Raksam, they say, what make you rugged this desert and carried? When if I close my eye open, go Raksam now! I'm out here. Nobody but no kebulu. If that Barney Jones, I go hit her head for wall, wipe her Johnson,
Where you, small boy? Give me that bag.
That bag. Where you? Now you that match where we gonna spoil with this cinema and don't bless Abi? Yes. Make I cap you. If you be BST, disembark. Or me, Tollers, go throw you overboard.
You! I don't Facebook you before. Now you be that careless man to well up my unit, come loot my stuff, Abi. You na thief.
When you disembark from that capping, me thief. Who goes you? Are you a rugged German?
Where you buy it? The ways of a rugged German not be to the thief. They oppress people, but to fight against injustice and wuru.
In a Chester, in a booster. The heart of all rugged men are not the same. When you want to teach me ethics? You never know of Tollers. You never hear of Tollers for the island. Now me they anchor the ship. Where you? Just down, pay maximum.
I said buy it.
They just. I mean, when I want you to may survive. Smaller. Just stop. Just stop. I go pump your jaw. Hold this bag. See, if anything lost this bag, I will clear your Johnson. Hold this with no liquor. Man, clear this a cook in Johnson. Nah.
Are you the tallest, Abi? You be tallest, Abi. No worry, I will reduce you. Okay. That's it.
Hold my bottle. Bottle, give me bottle.
Baby sis. What's up now?
Hey, I beg no find me now. I beg no find me.
Baby sis, what are you talking Vatican now? Not me, Chibon.
I beg no find me. You not help me, you not help me, you not help me. I beg, I dey use beg. No find me now, beg. You not help me. What are you gonna do?
Don't do. But what's that for here now? Huh?
Smaller. Spella, you know see the last city.
It's not my how now.
You looking for battlefield Tuama? You dey Jones? Where you? Where that bag we will achieve? I said that white bag where we will achieve.
Sinoma, I know say the bag been dey heavy me. So I can't run for road so that I go fit to my way.
So all those jike where are jike? Now for event. Smaller, the bag they heavy you. You run for road so that you fit to Ama well. Some of that lab.
Sinoma, anything for me?
That's anything for you. Lab.
Aye.
The Jones.
Aye.
Major drilling for your head. When I reach unit, I go drill you woto.
Sinoma. You did know you why?
Hey, bro, what's up now? What's up? What in the sub now? Hey, bro, me dey compression your capression. What in they cap me like this now? Why my baby sis go dey call me like Sabi Jew man? What's up?
J-boy, as you see her so, na so me too I see. The thing they surprise me. Because no be for head with they shoot her. I see they surprise you, I see they surprise me, J-boy. The thing don't tire me. You know, so I don't try. But, J-boy, I dey suspect something. Odiko wotu ya na ndi mmoja barekota. E be like she dey get spiritual attack. Wetin dey there be say you go buy some things, ma take do some spiritual work for her. But if you no work, Chibo na be say go carry am go hospital make they check her brain.
Bro, what's up you now? Oh, no one, bro. We dey Captain Vatican. We dey Captain Vatican say you no go work. Bro, we see you go work. You go work.
Yeah, na the truth I dey tell you.
Bro, we see. Sonali, time no day. Anything you go be, start immediately. No dey Captain Vatican.
We go do the work. We go do am, but meanwhile you go carry her go. Make her fit concentrate on your
Bro, why you say make her carry her go? You dey confirm and say she don't even want make her near her. She dey see me like Jew man. She don't want make her near her. You say make her carry and go.
Okay. I go carry her come later. You dey hear me?
A boy, see, my spiritual lewu dey cap me say, e get wetin one Imborogu dey hide. A boy, ngwana buyen yuche. Me and you know say, na by the side wey CB knack her short. How come e affect her akonuche? No, reason am. No, dey feel say one Imborogu dey hide something, so that me I go still dey remit. I go see the remit for her. Boy, no, reason am.
Chiboy, if you be say wetin one Imborogu dey cap you, na legit. Because this thing dey happen. Cause nobody near the reason be that too. For one Imborogu to cap you, say make you carry BBC's move. The Matthias don't pass am. Meanwhile, just freestyle and first make she do her spiritual things and things as in don't talk. If she no fit drag BBC's according to a bag, we go move and go to her place. Uswaka na, you know na, in a tight man. Na just money when we chop, we go. No worry, come. Somebody free me that stuff now.
If I say something, they worry you for her. Maybe I free you that stuff. Say based on what happen. Lucy. See, might tell you. This a smart boy when you carry con this area. If you know wetin good for am, make you carry am comot o. You dey hear me?
Waiting again. Wetin happen?
Imagine those cattle wey go harvest for those Gbanegbe people. Now this a smart boy get my tell me say my give am make carry go Idoma. Say wetin sup?
Atanakpa, you too like complain. You see me say make you give am tete carry and give am now.
Lucy, it no fit happen. No be for my caban, no be for where I dey, I swear.
Atanakpa, me I need that color. Or how I be like this, I no get joy.
If you no get joy enough for your body, me too, I dey vex. My head soak, I no want hear. You dey hear me? No be for this environment I go feel release those tete give you, make you carry go where you want go.
You go free me that allow. Now me let the count pass. And me I need those color to lap Idoma. Or how I be like this, things don't be as it be. I need those color now. Or yes,
wetin?
No go funny.
Tepe, I be wetin you call yourself. Come ray, come son. As it be for my caban, it no fit happen. Not the one wey you do. I swear. You want me happen? For this time.
What did happen here now?
Wonder boy, hold it. Say, Atanakpa, stop.
Oh, sure.
Okay, when I know what's up, Abi, never here to go.
Hey, from area. Wait. Get area. You get area.
You go fear raise, I swear. How is it now? Me na different human being.
Follow me.
They are the yarn. You dey show your muscle. If I not do you anyhow, I don't know where to cause am. You want follow this asthma boy gawad me? You want follow am? Now wetin you reason? Now wetin go favor you?
Sure. Jiga bere. Abi, I go find them head for you. Give us the tete na. Sure.
Make thunder fire you if you try that nonsense again. Chop wish.
Sure.
Stevie, I beg, make you no fight. Na beg I dey beg you. As they come by me personal, I could collect and give you. No say you na my man.
Lucy, and because of you, I freestyle that stupid shambon. For how I laugh to do my comeback. I want to see this color from around. You know, sir, they heavy tax ahead of me.
I know.
Why you be like this? I don't freestyle the word. Because of you.
Thank
that boy, you won't know me. Atanakpa, I go only forgive you because you keep Lucy safe for me. Wonder boy.
Sure.
Moku say. Lucy.
Stevie.
I go tanana you.
Make you waka bara him, she's Zakuma. Wonder.
Sure.
You want follow this guy? You want follow this asthma boy? This Jedis when he land for our area. Since he come, now we began to get wahala. Say you know, you want go, you want leave me. You like work, go now, no shaking. When he go be, but might tell you one thing. As you dey carry and go so. The same way when you carry and go, make carry and come back, or man, no hear say small ant na bite her. Because anyhow when you be here, you go understand say na me show Atanakpa one. Make I tell you.
Maximum sympathy, yeah. Cause be shaking trees, a target. My brother make you no go price in market. I'm when you could buy yeah. Make you take your lane, better than my lane. Make you know they cast down. If you can't lose God, I'm for the holy ground. I'ma put you down.
Hey, just come out your armor. Put up for your body cause there's no one further than me. And you know this me lose God, man, I'm selling out that good. Hey, see I come out your armor. Put up for your body cause there's no one better than me.
And you know this is me lose God, man, I'm selling out the and you make me call up ready, man. I'ma put that bullet body gun. Now what do we do? Run out, then run out,
Baby sis, how far? Baby sis, na me o, big bro. Na baby sis, we want in Borogo. Who are you borrowing now? What is this? Boy, baby six they provoke me. I go send her Jones, you know. I go send her Jones.
Boy, I don't know. You know they hear something. See, freestyle that babe. Leave that girl. Make she day her day. They hear me. I don't know why they like regret something. You don't know what like they go through for that place. So leave them. They still they play around with them. If you get me, I can't let you back.
Baby six don't lose her account like this. Man, the baby six they sick. Just they vomit up and down. I say make I give baby sis a helping hand. Baby sis see me tuama. What's the sub now? The matter don't tire me.
Who roast palm fruit? 900 dirty. Who na be? Now what you the fun? Na be you want make I shame your baby? Tempe. Who be all these bed bugs that don't want to challenge us now? Sure.
Make I just free us. Who go laugh there, man?
Now what I know they like. Now this kind of way small picking they tell him, Papa. I know na face. Now we go here come the knock shot anyhow. Especially you.
Try this nonsense again. I go put that on your body motor. Any Ndiara. I go recover it. You don't drop text message, Abi? You don't drop your own text message.
I don't tell you before, say, who roast palm fruits 900 dirty?
Omini papa! Omini sasa! Omini papa!
Omini papa!
Let me rock! What time you think that to back? So for nothing, no be that good. Enjoy the swallow.
I believe you.
Tamuno! IP! You don't know my land! Nobody will move!
Cesar Saro, without a board the ship cannot sail. Ethically, I welcome you on board.
Who want challenge? I don't done like I say. Clarify yourself what's killing or you migrate from this cabal. Make no regret.
Ta! Disembark from that captain before I use your scope brew.
We could not be winch, not the doings.
Even blind person they see when time reach.
Yama! Stop this, stop! Come on, to the corner. Come on. Let's go, what's the fire? What did happen? What did happen here?
Na my brother be this. Na Sibi be this.
Na Sibi be this guy.
I don't think I should carry belly, and the belly like a month and now.
No, c'est not the compression, your compression. Just what the cap in a legit.
Now my work be this. If I see person carry belly, I don't know.
Okay, no lily, no lily. Nothing happen. I will lap your chemist, so that I will feel to meet you.
I should have been bro.
What did I do you? What did I do you? Why you follow them and take my joy? Why Mogo? Everything what you make I do, I do. The bread of life what you make I remit. I remit. Anytime we turn on my kappa, the chivo remit. I remit. Why Mogo? You join them. You join them and take my joy. Why you join them and take my joy? Why Mogo? Why now? Why? I give my baby sis to treat. You got my baby sis. Give men. Then they call my baby sis Jagaban. Then they call my baby sis Wotoporiously. They call my baby sis Woto. My brother, what did I do you now? Now my baby sis don't carry Belusum. My baby sis don't carry Belusum. My brother, why? Why you do me this thing now? Why you gonna betray me? Why brother? Why you gonna betray me? My brother, why now? Why brother? I can't be seen to do what they do. I can't be seen to do what they do. What did they do? What did that happen now? What did that happen? Why am I going to take my joy?
You don't craze? Hey, boy, now be the point color. You don't craze? Start to worry you. You know when you come here in Borogu? Oh, boy, you want to start to go here, Malade? You need a fear. Idiot. Try me next time. You go know the reason why they come here in Borogu. Idiot.
Chiboy, your sister get belle before you carry and come here. As I dey treat her, now I notice her. No be for here she carry that belly. But now do you carry come here, come dey point me kala? It no make sense now. It no make sense. So they accuse me, say they carry your sister, they give me. Me want him more of.
Uncle?
Who? Who be that? Sibi?
Uncle. Uncle Imano.
About her.
Uncle, forget about her. Uncle, forget about her. Uncle, why would I go do like this? Why would I go bury Male? Nobody cap me. Nobody put me on a no or put my 11 digit to let me know what they stop. Uncle, why now? How would I do like this now?
Who told you they are burying your mother?
My sister told me now. And my sister cap me.
Calm down. Calm.
Sibi, it don't go rich like this. You don't reach everywhere. You don't reach everywhere, Uncle.
I don't understand some of the things where they talk. When you come to village, try to speak waiting your old people from village go here. Waiting be 11 digit, waiting be cap. I don't understand you. Person tell you say they don't bury. Who tell you they don't bury your mother?
My sister tell me say when I don't bury my male. Why when I go bury my male when I not tell me? Me I be first speaking of my male, and I suppose they grant to know what thing they happen for my ground before they put my male for ground. Uncle, why would I do like this?
See, make I tell you. They no bury your mother body there. I don't carry and go mortuary. Now me carry and go mortuary. Your sister no tell you the truth. Sibi.
Uncle.
Sibi.
Uncle.
Come, your uncle will tell you everything about your mother. They follow me. They go and they come. They go and they come. And they come with your hand. Where they go?
Chiboy, I hear say you lap my units. Come they find me like say I commit. Chiboy, I think they sup.
Amora, see, you chop turkey, say oh how I lap your unit, I no Facebook you. See, I put that for your body, woto. You know if you shall die it. Amora, we die you now. Hey Amora, what's up? Amora, no, you get the ododo. Carry kala, give my baby sis. Amora, what's up?
Chiboy me, Amora, rugged Amora, give your 16 kala. Chiboy na lie. Oh, how me, Amora go give your 16 kala?
Why the Jones? Hey Amora, what's up now? You don't deny him? Amora, baby sis slap your unit.
Yes, baby sis slap my unit. But baby sis slap my unit based on say don't take she lap holy ground. So she says she need come face see men with her face show and men with come board. She even cap me based on my scores. I tell her say we never get legit intel. Say when we get legit intel, we go knock shop for the hammer. Everywhere go saklakum. I no give your 16 kala. I know it's not they cap you. Who even cap you this thing? Come on, you don't go die it there. No one simple for that place. Wait, you go badamba for your body now. You don't cap him vertically now. Amora, Odogu cap me saying now you give baby sis kala. You don't deny him? Hey, Odogu want my downfall for this unit. Odogu want my downfall based on say me I don't see robbers pass Odogu. But no one, you no go walk. Una know say since that time why I give una tools. Up till now, Odogu never remit me the robbers.
How is the Jones? Say Amora, you know say Odogu need a cap anyhow. Or how Odogu cap? They're legit. Amora, we don't cap in vertical now. Amora, see, we can cap you the legit now. Oha gets the legit intel. Say that you give baby sis Kala. Amora, Holy Grand no go enter me and you. Amora, see make I see cap you. National no go fit settle our Matthias.
Chiboy, I no give your 16 Kala. Anywhere I want carry me go. Carry me go. I think they shop now.
No Lily.
No one. When I say what's in Amora the cap, Amora say what's happen. Odogu, you and Amora dey on fracas.
Fracas? Me, Amora. Me and Amora no fit dey on fracas now. You know the Matthias now.
Based on that Matthias wey can person me, say na lie, Amora deny am. Amora say no time when he can person you something like that. Amora even thought say you want a downfall for this armor. I make her they ask now whether you and Don fracas.
Amora say me, I want a downfall. What in he gets now I go want a downfall? You know what thing go happen now? More lap Amora unit.
Oh, how I confirm say now Amora give my baby sis Kala. We put her for all this year condition. Or how they drill Amora auto. Make any of una no echo sympathy. Now the compression. Make una no echo sympathy.
No one. As it be like this now, my just rush go unit, my just take one or two things. They come now. Boy.
When you son of you.
I dey come now.
Boy. Hi.
Hi, baby.
I'm fine. Where have you been? I've been here all day.
See, Dera, I no get time for this way we won't do like this now. We get small wakama now. They hear me. We need to go mount person edge to edge. I beg.
Which one is edge to edge?
You know go here now. So I no get time.
Boy.
Are you leaving? I just want you to know the reason why I'm here.
How you do you? I tell you to laugh. You go laugh my units, no turn my kappa. You don't mad? I don't want to make you laugh my units, no turn me. You don't crazy? Duty na duty you. They hear me? For it is cap. Never you hear the cry of a rugged German and disembark. For the cry of one is the cry of all.
Aboy! Don't you dare walk out on me! What is wrong with you? Is it a crime to love you? Tell me. Aboy, is it a crime to love you? Aboy. Yes! Yes! I love you! You! I'm trying every possible way to show you that I love you. But you keep pushing me. Why? Why?
Because of this kappa, he did jike me. No Lily, no time again. Come on! No time again, waka!
Aboy, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, please. What have I done? Oh, I love you, please, I'm sorry.
Asa don't come back. Now the phone of Asa.
Selena tested.
Rest on the beat.
Selena, yeah. Selena, go, 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 yeah. Selena, yeah, yeah. Selena tested, yeah, yeah. Selena, go, go, go. I am Selena tested.